Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm taking you to my favorite destination in Kenya, Masai Mara. Here are some highlights.
Now, as you can see, clearly noise that we are not to safari.
Yes, we are off to safari. You know the word safari means? Journey in Kiswahili. Oh, so hard to say, Kiswahili. Regarding this kind of journey, I love to travel with our friends. Yes, travel with friends. The experience becomes even more memorable. When travel with friends, share those special memories in the real time. No matter it is beautiful view or spontaneous adventures, or even just a good laugh, can make the trip feel more connected and meaningful. Those shared memories often become a story that lasts a lifetime.
We are landed Maasai land.
Just let you know roughly what's going to happen after you land. You will be picked up by the rangers from the safari lodge and take you to check in. The name of our lodge this time is Kichwa Tembo. Lovely, isn't it? It was a welcome dance and music. Now we arrive in the Kichwa Temple, and I'd like to show you around. Just come with me. This luxury, beautiful lodge is also an eco-friendly. Look at those beautiful organic gardens, and we are going to eat it breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. And they also have solar power. Look at those super cute animals coming to welcoming us. Those are warthog and little babies. Over there is a bar, so you can see our friends is already over there. This lodge is facing southeast, so you can see a beautiful sunrise in the morning. And what are you looking at now? This savannah is called aglow escarpment. Wonderful, isn't it? Look at this beautiful view. The water is sleeping, but then the mongoose are just running around having their lunch. I think it's about time we check in, and I'd like to show you around the room. In Kichwa Temple here has total 40 luxury tents, classic tents, superior tents, and only 8 superior view tents, which is you can look at the sunrise from the Olululu escarpment. As you can see, this tent here is totally glamping. Beautiful bed linen, plenty of room, and also the outdoor area, and have a walk-in shower with the view. Yet you can see a safe here, but this is actually very private lodge, so it's only resident around here, and I feel really safe here. So here's the outdoor area. You can enjoy your cup of tea or coffee and look at the wildlife slowly walk past you, and don't worry, they do have an electric fence here. Okay, it is time to unpack and prepare for our first safari drive. I hope we can show you some of magic moments, maybe giant elephants or beautiful giraffe. Who knows? Let's go. Couple things I like to mention. So if you are going to safari drive, make sure you go to toilet first, because they don't have toilet out there. But the rangers always can find some solution. Our first animals, giant elephant, which is they also call Big Five. Do you know which big five it is? Elephant, lion, yeah, buffalo, also leopard and rhino. I hope we can see all 5 of those. It seems like this elephant hesitate cross in between us, so our jeep have to drive a bit further and let this elephant cross by. It's so peaceful watching those wildlife animals in the natural environments and having lunch, and we don't bother them and they don't bother us, so it's a very magic moment here. We are waiting for this moment when a zebra right in front of the road. Why? Because we can say zebra crossing.
Good eyesight that day, I think. Yeah. Because if we move,
Zebra have a huge stomach, not because they eat a lot or drink a lot. They actually have a lot of gas inside. So when the predator attack them, they explode. Talk about predator. In front of us is the king of the jungle. This male lion think they have something around the mouth. Let's trace around. We do have to be silent.
oh god,
Oh, that is overwhelming.
And also a couple females here. Must be has something happen. Can't wait to show you. We hit a jackpot. A lion kill, which is very rare. We just asked the ranger how often the lion kill. It is about 4 to 5 days, and sometimes up to 7 days they don't have to eat. But its interesting fact is female kill, not the king. And king be a king and doesn't have to do anything. So the female lion will hunt the animal and the king eat first. And after that, then the females and the calf can join the king. But also it's interesting watching the calf learning how to kill.
As you say, this
Fascinating.
is a learner. I know I'm supposed to eat something here, but I haven't had a mouthful.
Oh my god.
oh shit.
Did I tell you turn off the mobile during the safari drive? I just zoomed out the camera so we can see how close we were. It is about 5 meters away from the animals. So more warning ahead. To the king of the jungle is always a mating season, but they only last 15 seconds.
That's she, Isaac?
Look at this female lion. And the stomach. God. And we are so close to her and she doesn't care. She just lie down here and let us watch it. I guess it's about maybe 3 meters away from her. I couldn't think of anything else except pure nature while filming those safari images. I feel like I need to apologize because it may be too graphic for some viewers. Well, leave me a comment so I can continue to improve myself for my future video. We are now moving on our next destination. afternoon, we are visiting the Maasai village. Now they're doing a welcome dance. This famous jumping performance by Maasai warrior is called Adomu. In Adomu, the Maasai warrior form a semicircle and chanting, and one or two warriors step into the center, where they begin to jump straight into the air as high as possible without letting their heel touch the ground. The higher they get, the more respect they earn. I don't think our friends get much respect here. They not jump as high as the warrior. So those warriors actually called moran, and what they wear like a blanket is called shakan, and mainly they are red color because they believe they can scare the lion and also about the strength of brave. And talk about color, it's actually have few different color they like to wear on their clothes too. Black meaning people, white is purify, sky is blue, so it's blue color, and green is the grass. After the ceremony, now we are invited to get inside the village, going through this barricade. So those houses is called manyattas, M-A-N-Y-A-T-T-A-S, are simple practical structures made from a natural material like mud, stick, grass, even cow dung. Those huts are small, very low ceiling, designed to keep the family warm during the chilly night. And the interior are basic. Sometimes they do have a fire in the center for warmth and cooking. So here is the cattle circle. Normally you will see a lot of cows here, but they're having a lunch. And do you know, Maasai peoples, their currency is cow. Now it's about those beautiful Maasai women. Maasai women are super mom. They take on a role of homemaker, building those traditional huts you just saw, collect the firewood and carry off the baby and the children. They are also responsibility for milking the cow and cooking the meals. One more thing, they also is an artist. Why I say they are artists? Because they also doing all the beading work. You know those building necklaces and jewelry they wearing now? They actually put together themselves. After watching those brave warriors jumping and beautiful women singing, it is my turn to see those adorable children. Whenever I go to a development countries, I always buy some Australian souvenir for the children. This time I took a bag of koala. I'm not sure they know where is Australia or what is koala look like, but at least they have a toys to play with. Hello, what's your name? My name is Bowie, and this is a Australian koala. Whenever I go overseas, I just give a little Australia to a kid. And you want one? The red one. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5. Finish. Hello. What's your name? Hold it. Oh. Oops. I don't have enough. I don't have enough. I give you something else. Okay? So let me take a picture. Yeah. 1, 2. You have to wait. You have to wait, okay? Yes. Later. More? Yeah. Together? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Can you see something yet? Slow. In the past, when I went to those developing countries, I saw some tourists, including myself, taking pictures of those adorable children. But hey, you might take a wonderful picture for them, but they never see those pictures. So this time, I brought my instant camera with me so they can have the photos. Chief, Chief, okay. I have something for you.
Gift for you.
This one, let me know how to open it.
You'll be surprised.
Maybe here.
This one is a solar power.
Solar power.
Yeah, so people, they can charge your mobile phone.
Not all have mobile phones.
But
Some have, like my brother here.
Yeah.
We have phones.
One thing I like to give it to you.
Asante.
Yeah. So because not everyone have mobile phone, I give you a fire lighter.
Fire lighter.
So you don't have to do it.
All right. That's
You have free. Yeah. You can share.
And you put it into that.
And also a box, a bag of cable.
No problem.
Yeah, so you can charge it.
No problem.
This is
Hakuna
for you.
matata.
Yeah.
Hakuna matata.
And I like to also give all the toothbrush, toothpaste, everyone,
And all this.
and pen.
Kids for the school.
Yeah, exactly.
So we use
This
some
is all pencil.
pencil.
Yeah. And because you are the warrior, this is actually to protect your wrist.
Oh.
When you are swinging, then kill the animals. Yeah. One last thing, a big koala.
Koala bear from Australia.
All the way from Australia.
Australia.
Yes.
Wow. Asante.
That's it.
Number.
That's it.
No more.
No more.
No more. That's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It is time to return to our lodge. Wow, take a look at this stunning sunset. What a miracle. The first day we spent it in this magical land was wonderful, and I hope you also enjoyed our safari. We are planning to go to the riverside tomorrow and would like you to join us. And see you next episode. So as usual, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Thank you.
チャンネル登録お願いします。